What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing our inner fender armor panels on this Can-Am Defender, so let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the following two pieces of factory hardware. We'll come from the outside with the socket and then the inside with a wrench. So now we're going to grab our brace, two of our short bolts and two nylock nuts, as well as our inner fender armor panel. So now we're going to grab our armor panel. I like to go ahead and take one of our bolts and pop it through. So now we're just going to take our panel, line up our top bolt with our top hole where we previously removed the factory hardware. And what I like to do is kind of hold it in place, go to the inside, and we're going to take our brace bracket, slide it over the hardware, and then start a nut. That's just going to make it so our inner fender armor panel stays in place. We don't have to worry about it moving on us or falling off. And we're going to do the same thing with our lower piece of hardware. Take the hardware, pop it through, start the nut. And then at this point you want to go ahead and fully tighten the hardware. So now we're just going to fully tighten our hardware. So now we're going to grab our paint marker. You can do this next step one of two ways. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to drill right through these two holes on our inner fender armor panel and then put our hardware in. But if you're not confident that you're going to be drilling a straight hole, what you can do is reach through, mark your holes, and then remove your inner fender armor panel and then drill those holes. But like I said, I'm very confident I'm going to drill a good straight hole through this, so I'm just going to go ahead and drill straight through and then install my hardware. So now, like I said, at this step, if you wanted to, you could remove your panel and go ahead and drill your hole in the tube, or what you can do is just drill straight through the panel, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to drill it. Both holes, same way. So once you got both of your holes drilled, you're going to grab your short 10mm headed hardware and run them into those holes. So now we're just going to run our hardware into the previously drilled holes. Now we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's inner fender armor panels on this Can-Am Defender. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.